Hello friends, today we will discuss some important numericals in the chapter solid state. It is mainly JEE NEET pattern. Some questions are also very important for your different examination, not only JEE NEET, it is also very much useful for your KVPY and Niger, IGER and other different examinations. It is based on only solid state. Lithium chloride crystal, it has edge length is given. How much? Edge length of this crystal is 5.14 picometer. This much given. Question is, what is the size of Cl minus? Question mark. Size of Cl minus is asked. Lithium chloride dense edge length given and Cl minus size is asked. Here we have to think. This is the structure of this is occupied by lithium ion. This is your lithium ion. This is your Cl minus ion. This is lithium ion. Lithium ion. Here, if you join center to center and two lithium ion, if you join this, let it is like this. This is A, this is B, this is C. This position lithium occupies, this position Cl minus and Cl minus occupies. In between CB, that is CB is equal to, if you see, CB is equal to your R of lithium ion plus R of Cl minus ion. Because this is the one cation radius and one anion radius occupies. But AB, how much? AB, if you see, this is AB containing how much? 2 Cl minus. 2 Cl minus, that is 2 RCl minus. This is the distance of 2 Cl minus and this is the distance between cation and anion. As edge length is given, we know that as it is lithium chloride crystal, cation anion, here it is NaCl type. Just like NaCl type, you have to remember this is, it is not given but you have to remember this NaCl type, and for this edge length is equal to 2 times of R lithium ion plus R Cl minus. This is the relation between edge length and a cation anion distance. That is, the radius of cation and the radius of anion is sum of this into 2 is equal to edge length. So, what is the distance of RCRLi plus and RCl minus is equal to A by 2. Here A is given as per the question 5.14 picometer by 2, which is equal to how much? 2. How much coming? 57. 2.57 picometer. This is the summation of cation anion. But if you see that AB square, here if you see AB square is equal to CB square plus AC square. AB square is equal to how much? AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. But here AC, BC same. AC and BC, because one cation, one anion, one cation, one. That is R plus R minus, R plus R minus. That's why in place of AB square you can write that is 2BC square. Clear? Then what is AB? What is that? And this BC, what is the value of this AB square? So AB square is equal to BC square implies AB is equal to root 2 BC. And already you know AB contain how much? AB contain how much? 2 anion. AB contain 2 Cl minus. 2 Cl minus R Cl minus, because AB only Cl minus. So 2 R Cl minus is equal to root 2 BC. BC is how much? In terms of A. BC in terms of A is A by 2. So you put this. So R Cl minus is equal to root 2 by 2 into BC, which is equal to root 2 upon 2 into BC value is equal to RCl, R lithium ion plus RCl minus, cation plus anion. That is how much? CB is how much? That is RCl, R lithium ion plus RCl minus, that is A by 2. You put A by 2. A by 2 is how much? How much A? A is, that is already calculated, 2.57 picometer. So, if you solve it, root 2 by 2 into 2.57, your answer will be how much you calculate? What is the value of root 2? 1.414. 1.414 into 2.57 by 2. So 2.57 approximately 1 point something. So result is how much? You calculate quick. How much is coming? That is 1.817. 1.817 picometer. Clear? This is your answer. What is the size of Cl minus of lithium chloride if edge length is 5.14? This is very important. We have to use some important relation, that A is equal to 2 times of cation plus anion. Then cation anion is the closest distance of cation anion of lithium chloride. If this length is known, then we can use this formula, because Cl minus asked, Cl minus is present in AB, that AB is equal to 2 Cl minus, because A position, B position only Cl minus are available. That's why R Cl minus is equal to how much? Root 2 of BC. As for the Pythagoras theorem, you apply, then you calculate like this. This is your question number 1. It is okay? Then 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is like this. That NaCl type crystal, NaCl crystal. Here, cation-anion ratio given. R of Na plus is equal to how much? 95 picometer. 95 picometer. And R of Cl minus is equal to 181 picometer. 181 picometer. This much given. Cation size and anion size given. But question is, we will calculate first body diagonal. Length of body diagonal means capital D. We will calculate length of body diagonal. Length of body diagonal means, you know, if you see the cube construction, you see body diagonal means this corner to this corner. It is asked. This is capital D. It is asked. And this is your position, this is your position, this is your position, this is your position. If you see, then if you join this one, then this value is root 2a. Already know. This value is root 2a. Automatically this is a. Then what is the value of D? This value. This will be root 2 3a. So body diagonal as per the calculation is root 3a. Root 2 3a we have to calculate. But a is not given. But indirectly what is given? Cation size and anion size given. For NaCl type crystal, FCC pattern crystal, here A is equal to always 2 of R of Na plus R of Cl minus. This is very important relation between edge length and cation anion size. So as A is equal to, as for this, 2 into cation size is 95 picometer plus your anion size 181 picometer. This is your A. Value of A will be, we will calculate value of A. This value A is this much. So what is the question? Length of a diagonal, body diagonal. So D is equal to root 3A, which is equal to root 3 into A is how much? A is 2 into 95 plus 181. Okay. So you calculate it, how much coming? How much coming you calculate? Result will be how much? Value of D. Root 3 value is 1.732. 1.732 into 2. It will be into 6, 7, 2, 3. 2.276. Okay, this. So answer will be how much coming? What is the diagonal length? How much coming? 7, approximately 722 picometer. This is the distance of body diagonal. But question is given, only cation size and anion size is given. So indirectly cation and anion size is given. We have to calculate A value, that is edge length, by taking cation and anion. This formula is very important. Then you will calculate body diagonal. So like this question will ask 1 2 step hidden step will be given. You have to calculate. Some questions are very easy questions are asking direct formula based. Some questions are direct formula based. This question generally will not discuss because direct formula based is you can solve it. But some hidden step we are discussing. This is very important for the competitive examination. Then question number 3. Here it is given like this. Hexagonal closed packing given. SCP crystal of 0.5 mole. This much of crystal is given. Question is how much tetrahedral voids available? This is the question. SCP crystal of 0.5 mole. Amount substance given 0.5 mole. How much tetrahedral voids are available? But we know HCP means 6 atoms. Okay? Hints I have given. I have given hints for you. Pause the video and try to solve it. I am giving some time. Try to solve it. This is the hints. Hexagonal closed packing means 6 atoms required. Central sphere connected to 6 spheres. So what will be the tetrahedral voids? Quick. Try to solve. Okay? Let me do it and verify your answer. As the SCP, that 6 spheres, 6 atoms connected to the central spheres. So, tetrahedral voids always is equal to 2n. Number of voids formula is equal to 2n. Already we have discussed in the previous lesson. That is in theory class. Tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n. So, 2 into n is 6. That is 12. 12 voids. For 6 atoms, 12 voids will be formed. These voids are tetrahedral voids. But question is given 0.5 mole. So total voids will be how much? 6 atoms. For 6 atoms, total number of voids is 12. So it will be how much? This much of this 0.5 mole. 0.5 mole equal to how much atoms? 0.5 into 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms. This is the number of atoms. Clear? So hexagonal closed packing means 6 atoms are there. 6 atoms, for 6 atom number of tetrahedral voids is 12. 2 times. For 6 atoms, total voids is 12. You can calculate for this. For 1 atom, voids is how much? Here, voids is twice. As number of here, number of atoms is how much? 0.5 into this much. So it will be into 12. That is the, as 0.5 into 6 in 0 to 10 to 23. What is this? Number of atoms. These are the number of atoms. So total volts will be into 12. This is that will be how much result is coming? How much? This result is 3.6 into 10 to the power 24 watts. Okay? So for examiner close packing, 6 atoms are required. So total number of watts will be 12 as 0.5 mole. So it will be 0.5 mole into this much into 12. So this number of watts are for this. This is your 2019 last year AIMS question. This is the AIMS question. Okay? So then question number 4. Question number 4 is like this. BCC type crystal. BCC type crystal. BCC type crystal given, edge length given. Edge length is equal to 288 picometer. And the density is given how much? 7.2. 7.2 gram per cc. Gram per cc. Then what will be the question is, what will the number of atoms? What is the number of atoms present in 52 gram of germanium? 52 gram of germanium. 52 gram of germanium contain how many atoms? If it is a BCC type crystal, edge length given and density given. And this is also a AIMS question, 2019 also, same. This is also AIMS question. So very easy, but calculation sum was tedious. You have to do fastly. You will do. What will be the step? Try to solve it. Pause the video and do it. I am giving some time. Different way you can solve. Density given, edge length given, mass of substance given, the number of atom asked. Very simple. Let me do it. Here what is the volume? We know density is equal to mass by volume. If density is equal to mass by volume, then implies what is the volume? Volume is equal to mass by density. If volume is equal to mass by density, then mass is how much? Mass here, as for the question, mass is given already. How much mass given? 52. 52 gram given. And density how much? Density is 7.2. Then what is the volume? The volume result is how much? What is the volume coming? Volume is 7.22. 7.22 centimeter cube. This is the volume result. This is the volume. But as edge length is 280 picometer, so what is the volume of the unit cell? Volume of unit cell will be AQ. AQ is equal to 288 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter whole cube. because we know 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the minus 10 centimeter. So this much cube. Volume is how much coming? Calculation no doubt some studious. It will take time, but you have to do. Tactfully you have to do. Fastly you will do. Answer is 23 point into 10 to the power minus 24. Minus 24 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the unit cell, and this is the volume of the substance given. 52 grams germanium volume is this much, and actually unit cell volume is this much. Then how many unit cell? So number of unit cell is equal to how much? This is the unit cell volume. So 7.222 upon 23.888 into 10 to the power minus 24. Answer will be number of unit cell. How much coming? Number of unit cell will be how much? 0.3023. 0.3023 in 10 to the power 24. This much number of unit cells. This much number of unit cells present. But question is how many atoms? Question is how many atoms? Number of unit cell is calculated, but we know as it is a BCC type, Z value is 2. Per unit cell 2 atoms present. Per unit cell 2 atoms present. So number of unit cell, number of atoms. So number of atoms is equal to 2 into unit cell is 0.3023 into 10 to the power 24. That means how much? 6406 into 10 to the power 24 atoms available. That means greater than Avogadro's number. This is greater than Avogadro's number. How much result? Calculated. How much result is coming? Number of atoms is this much. If second part will be asked, calculate the molar mass, you can apply the formula. This is the number of atoms. If MB is asked, molar mass will be asked. Number of atoms is given. For this much of atom mass is given. Then what is the molar mass? Molar mass is equal to how much? Your W by N into Avogadro's number. This is the formula. So W here how much? 52. This is the number of atoms. If molar mass will be asked, then you can do like this. W is 52. N is calculated 0.6046 into 10 to the power 24. Then Avogadro's number 6.022 10 to the power 23. So result is how much is coming? Molar mass approximately 51.88. 51.88 gram per mole. This is the molar mass. Number of atom is asked. Just I have added one step. What step added? If molar mass will be asked, you can do like this. Even as for the question, number of atom was asked, but just I have added one step. That what is the molar mass of the crystal? The form, that is this. Mass to number of atoms into how much? Avogadro's number. Okay. So this is our question number 4. Height. Height is like this. Sodium crystal sodium crystal is BCC type. As per the question, this is BCC type and interfacial separation. Interfacial separation. The interfacial separation of the atom between the atom is 53 picometer. Interfacial separation means there is a gap between the sphere. There is a gap between the sphere. Interfacial separation means gap between the sphere is 53 picometers given. Okay? But your question is what? Calculate the density. Rho calculate. Nothing is given. Only interfacial separation of sodium BCC type is given and interfacial separation is given and question is density. Pause the video and try to solve it. Okay? Quick you solve. You think how it will be solved. What are the steps? Important thing is you have to think which formula you have to use. Density formula will be used, but before that density A should be known, but A is not given, you have to calculate A. That is the important thing is A will be calculated. But as per the question, this is your also 2009 EAMS question. This is also 2009 EAMS question. Here interfacial separation means actually the distance between two spheres when they are closely placed, that is always distance is equal to 2r. Distance is always 2r. Okay? As A is equal to 2r, A's length will be 2r, but interfacial separation given means there is some gap, actual gap between the spheres. So this is A is 2r, but as per the question, A dash minus A is equal to 53. What is this? A dash is the gap between the sphere. This is the very closely placed, that is 2r. And A dash is the after gap. The gap, this separation is given as per the separation is 53 pm is given, picometer is given. So A minus, that means what is that? Let it be to take like this, A minus A dash. Okay? You dash this, thus you take A dash. A dash is 2r. A dash is 2r and A is the distance, the edge length distance, edge length distance and A dash very closely placed. This separation is 53 picometer. So A minus here 2r is equal to 53. 2r is the very closely placed sphere distance and A is the actual edge length. Actual edge length means there is some gap. So A minus 2r is equal to 53. So, but as it is a BCC type, we know that what? R is equal to root 3a by 4. Here, R is a BCC type, R is equal to root 3a by 4. You put this A minus root 3 into A by 4 into 2 is equal to 53. That means how much? 2A minus root 3A. 2A minus root 3A is equal to 53. That means what is the A value? A, if you calculate this, A value will be, if you take common, A 2 minus root 3 is equal to 53. Then A 2 minus root 3 is how much? 1.732. 1.732. 2 minus 1.732 is equal to 53. That means A will be how much? You calculate. Value of A will be 300. How much? A value already in terms of R. It will be how much? A is 395.6. 300 A value this much. Okay. 2A is equal to here root 3A by 2. Root 3A by 2. Root 3 by 2, that is 2A minus root 3. Correct. A value will be how much? How much coming? A will be here picometer 53 given. Here how much coming? 395.6. 395.6 picometer. As 2A minus root 3 is 53. A, so 2 that is 2A minus root 3A. 2A minus root 3A, correct. Here into 2. I have forgotten to multiply 2 here. Okay? Because 2A minus root 3 by 2. So by 2 is multiplied 2 here. So result will be 395.6 picometer. This is the edge length. When edge length is calculated, then calculate density formula. Density is equal to rho is equal to mz n0 aq. What is that? M value is as sodium. M value is 23 into Z value is how much? As BCC, Z value 2 into N0 6.022 10 to the power 23 and A value calculated 395.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 because picometer equal to how much centimeter? 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter will be multiplied. Then whole cube. If you solve it, density will be, try to solve it. What is the density? The result will be 2.48 gram per centimeter cube. 2.48 gram per centimeter cube. This is the density calculation. One thing, if this type of problem is coming, don't waste your time. Try to take the whole number for calculation. Because exact calculation, if the result is coming approximately the whole number value, then you can select the choice. So that if you waste your time in the calculation, so you cannot proceed, advance. Your movement will be slow. That's why try to minimize the time for this fractional value. Always avoid for calculation. 2.48, that is the density for this question. Then question number 6. Question number 6 is like this. Here KCl is just like NaCl type. KCl is equal to NaCl. As per the question, it is given. And here, the ratio of RNA plus to RCl minus is given, and RK plus by RCl minus is given. What is the ratio of Na plus to Cl minus? 0.55, 0.55, and here 0.77. It is 74, 0.74, 0.74. This is the ratio of cation to anion of two different crystals. It is given. But what is the question? Question is calculate the ratio of edge length of NaCl, KCl to edge length of NaCl. Very interesting question. Cation anion ratio is given for both crystal. Then what are the edge length ratio? So we have to calculate this edge length in terms of what? Cation anion. We have to calculate in the form of cation and anion. How it will be calculated? You see. Here, as you take any RNA plus by RCl minus, you just add 1 here, it will be 1.55. Now, RNA plus RCl minus is equal to how much? 1.55 by RCl minus. This is your question number 1. Similarly, for RK plus to RCl minus, RK plus to RCl minus by RCl minus is equal to same like this, it will be 1.74. Clear? Here 1 is added. This is equation 2. If you divide it, what is the result? As question is KCl by NaCl, you take 2 equation by 1. So, equation 2 by equation 1. What is this? That means RK plus RCl minus by RNA plus by RCl minus, because Cl minus cancel, is equal to how much? Is equal to 1.74 by 1.55. But we know what is edge length relation between KCl and NaCl. Always remember, edge length A is equal to 2 times of R plus R minus. Always. So you multiply 2 here. So if you multiply 2 here, 2 into RK plus RCl minus by 2 into RNA plus RCl minus is equal to here. That will be same. 2 is multiplied, 2 is divided. Result is same. 1.74 by 1.55. That means 2. This is your first what? A of KCl. This is your A of NaCl. But 2 is multiplied means A KCl. 2 is multiplied like this formula. So R into R is A of NaCl is equal to how much? 1.74 upon 1.55. How much? It is greater than 1. How much is coming? Result, try to calculate. Result is 1.122. 1.122. This is your ratio of edge length of KCl and NaCl. But one thing, when you are solving the question for any competitive examination, try to avoid the step. When you do rough work, always avoid the step. I am explaining to you, but you should not do like this stepwise in the rough work. Rough work should be avoided. The step intermediate steps should be avoided. Direct you have to do. You have to think like this so that you can solve the problem quickly. And if you do as per your explanation pattern, traditional method, then it will be waste your time. So try to avoid this. For explaining I have done like this, but you have to use direct step. So result is 1.122. This is the ratio of edge length of KCl and NaCl. Question number 7. This is your 2014 AIMS question. 2014 AIMS question. The question is like this. A occupies in SCP pattern. HCP pattern. Which one? A occupies in SCP pattern. B in where one third of tetrahedral words. One third of tetrahedral words. This is the position given. A position and B position. Then question is, but write the formula of crystal. As SCP pattern, you know SCP pattern or hexagonal close packing, CCP close packing always will be 1. A will remain same. Here 1 by 8 for A will be 1 by 8 into 8. That is 1. A will be 1. And for B, B is 1/3 of tetrahedral words. 1/3 of tetrahedral words means if 1/3 part is occupied by 1/3 of spheres, that means 1/3 sphere is where? 1/3 of tetrahedral words is B. So 1/3 means it will be always twice. Because tetrahedral words, number of tetrahedral words will be twice of spheres. As the words is 1/3, then or 1/3 sphere at this verse, then number of sphere will be 1/3 into 2. That will be 2 by 3. So B is 2 by 3. So crystal formula will be A and B 2 by 3. Always convert into what? Whole number. So you multiply 3. You will be A3B2. This is your formula. From the multiple choice, you can get the answer. This is either given fractional form or in whole number form. You have to see the answer. A3B2. This is your the formula of the crystal. Okay. Then question number 8. Question number 8, that is 2012 AIMS question. 2012 AIMS question. The question is like this, that cesium chloride, it is BCC type. It is BCC type. Okay? Cesium chloride in BCC type. Here edge length is given. A is 400 picometer. Edge length is given. And interionic distance means cation anion, cesium plus and Cl minus distance is given. That is how much? Interionic distance is asked. That is asked. What is the interionic distance? If cesium chloride is BCC type, then what will be the interionic distance? That means R is asked. That means R is asked. Value of R. Value of R will be calculated as it is BCC type, you have to use the formula. Which formula? That R is equal to BCC is equal to root 3a by 4. This formula you have to use. Formula already we have discussed in previous lesson. We have to practice the formula. R is equal to root 3a by 4. Then root 3a is 400 picometer. Then 4. Then what is the value of R? So value of R will be 100 into root 3 picometer. If you want to convert it, that is root 3 is how much? 1.732. 100 into 1.732. Answer will be how much? 173.2 picometer. This is the radius. Okay, 173.2 picometer. So like this, you can solve different problems, but try to first remember all formula in this chapter. All for numerical problems, you remember the formula, then some step, some hidden step which have to use in the equation, you have to think for that. Then what are the data given, what is asked, you have to first write it symbolically. Here in this question, here geometry BCC type, A is given, inter-iron distance asked, R is question mark, means inter-iron distance means that is R is not mentioned. Inter-iron distance means the distance between cation and anion, that means radius, average radius, that is R. R is asked. So you know BCC means R is equal to root 3 by 4. So like this you can solve the problem. Okay, thank you.